Okay, so in a problem like this, where is our obvious right angle that we need to draw in? There's actually two of them. Right here? Yes, that is a right angle, vertical to horizontal. There's another one. A radius to a tangent. So we have those right angles. So I am going to start working with this blue quadrilateral. Now we know that a four-sided figure, 4 minus 2 times 180 is 360. We know that a four-sided figure has 360 degrees total angle. We've got 90 and we've got 90. Well, we need one of those other two angles, and believe it or not, we have the information to find it. I'm going to look at this angle right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into two pieces. I'm going to draw in a horizontal here. What's this angle right here? That's 90. How do I find this angle? 1 and 4. That angle's that angle there if this is 1 and this is 4. So that is the inverse tangent of 1 over 4. .004. Oh, that did not work. Let me get my inverse there. That sounds better. 14.04, we'll call it. So that is 14.04 degrees. This is 90 degrees, making that whole angle 104.04 degrees. Just add those two together to get that whole angle. Now that we have that, this one over here is 75.96 degrees. How did I get that? I've got to add it up to 360. Right, 90, 90, 104.04. What's left is 75.96. So now that we have those, what can we do with them? Well, now we have to find some not so obvious right triangle. From this point, I can drop it down. On that triangle, I know all three angles and one side. Now that's 90. This is 75.96. This up here then would be 14.04. This is 24 inches, the radius of that circle. Let's find A and B. Actually, you guys find A and B. I'm going to give you a minute, and then we'll see what you got. What'd you get for B? 23.28. Does everybody concur? How about for A? 5.82. Okay. So 5.82 here. 23 point, what was it? 28. Now, of course, we already know that this is 24. Now, the next one we're going to draw in is this triangle. We know that is 14.04 degrees. Therefore, this has to be 75.96 degrees. Do we know any of the dimensions on that triangle? Well, not quite the same. Minus the 8. Yes, we've got to subtract. There's 8 feet here that matches up with that because we've created a rectangle here. So we've got to subtract the 8. So that is going to be 15.28 right here. Find that dimension. I'll give you a minute. What'd you get for D? 61.1. 10 or? 10. So 10. Okay, 61.10 inches. So that means up here, 61.10, which makes X 90.929392. Somewhere in there, 90.92, 90.93. So we've got X. That was the first part. How about the area now? Well, we have piece 1 right here that is 8 by 61.10. That's a rectangle. I'm not going to calculate that out. You guys can finish that at some point. We have piece 2 right here that's 61.10 times 18.28 was the height here, divided by 2 because that is a triangle. Not 18, that would be 15.28. 15.28. Piece 3 over here is 23.28 by 5.82. Again, divided by 2 because it's a triangle. And finally, piece 4, which is this whole sector here, that angle is 104.04 degrees. Piece 4 is going to be the circle. So 3.14 for pi times 24 squared times that 104.04 over 360. I'll give you that area. You find those 4 areas and add them up, you'll get the total. Any questions? Happy, JJ? The key is just figuring out how to divide that puppy up. Okay. Next example. For your viewing pleasure. That is a circle. Those lines are parallel and horizontal. That sucks. I'm gonna try that part again. That's a smaller circle. This one has a diameter of, we're going to call it 120 millimeters. No. This is going to have a diameter of 80 millimeters. This, we're going to call 60 millimeters. From here to here, we're going to call 100 millimeters. I want you to find X and the area. Now, again, there are some not so obvious triangles here. Our vertical and horizontal that we've used so much, not going to help us. Our radius to a tangent, well, there are no tangents. But there's another little rule that we learned. If I create a chord, and if I connect this line across here, that is a chord of the circle, right? Because technically the circle itself continues out here, right? That's a chord. And if I draw from the center of the circle to a chord at a right angle, it splits the chord in half, doesn't it? So we know that's 30 millimeters. and 30 millimeters. So now we have a triangle there. That triangle is 30 millimeters here and 90 degrees, and then across here is 60. Right? So we can find that angle. And we can find, I'm going to call that little a down there. Find them. So what'd you get for the angle? Yeah, 30 degrees. And then A is 51.96. So from here to here is 51.96. From here to here is 60, right? So we have half the picture. I want you guys on your own now. Do the same thing over here. Remember, those dimensions will be different. So in this triangle over here, what is this dimension here? Vertical. 30 still. What's this dimension here? The hypotenuse. 40. What'd you get for the angle? 41.41 degrees. What'd you get for the bottom side? 26.46 millimeters. So we've got from here to here is 26.46. Here to here is 40. You can now find x. What's x? Yes. You missed something there. 278.42 works. You got to have all 5 of those added up. Now, for area, there are going to be 5 regions here. We're going to call this region 1. Region 1 is a triangle that is 60 by 51.96 divided by 2. Yes, I did the whole triangle, not just the 2 right triangles. Because this here is altitude, right? So I can do, this is the base, this is the height. Region 2 is going to be this one. Region 2 is 60 times 26.46 divided by 2. Region 3 is going to be in the middle here. Region 3 is going to be simple, 60 by 100. Why didn't I divide by 2? It's a rectangle, yes. Region 4 is going to be over here. This angle is 300 degrees. How did I get that? Yeah, 360 minus 30 and 30. So that is going to be 3.14 times 60 squared times 300 over 360. Is that big enough you guys can see it? I don't know why I decided to write so small all of a sudden. Then region 5 there, this is going to be 360 minus 82.82, which is 277.18 degrees. So 3.14 times 40 squared times 277.18 or 360. Get those 5 regions and add them up and you will have an area. What do you guys think? All very doable now? Good.